pharmacy. Points cannot be earned in Arkansas, New Jersey, or New York. Complete details at walgreens.com/balance.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
If there was ever a time to live united, it is now.
My name is Dale Pazinski. I volunteer with United Way
coordinated
to help
test
the
of the
homeless.
broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Hi there. Welcome to JCW.